What's up guys? Once again, I'm Archie of Second Skin Industries and welcome to another vlog. Now we are back and I'd like to give you a shop tour and what's going on with the shop today. So as you can see behind me, puro SUV tayo. We have a Land Rover Defender over here that we're setting up. We're putting in body kits, wheels, and of course PPF. And then here we have a Lexus RX that we just freshly installed Magnus Pro PPF on it. Bagong-bago lang. And then this one, the king of SUVs, we have a G-Wagon. It's a G63 that we're wrapping in one of my favorite colors. This is called Inositec Super Gloss Sand. And malapit na siya matapos, so ang ganda. And of course, we have the favorite SUV of all Filipinos. This is the LC300. Ang dami natin. I think we have around 5 in the shop today. We have a black one, we have a white one. Syempre lahat yan to be protected with Magnus Pro paint protection film as well. Over here, we have a very nice car. This is a Rolls-Royce Cullinan. So as you can see, medyo madumi siya ngayon. We're actually removing the existing wrap on it. It's actually a peelable PPF, also known as spray PPF or SPPF. Initially, pag bago siya, ang ganda naman yung tignan. Pero the owner had it removed already kasi it's already brittle, nawala na yung shine niya, and hindi talaga niya nabibigay yung quality na meron si Magnus Pro. So we're removing everything. It's taking a while kasi yung iba manipis. So that's another thing na maganda kay Magnus Pro, kahit saan part mo ilagay, it's the same thickness. Ito may ibang parts na mas makapal, may ibang parts na manipis. So especially on the doors, we're having a hard time removing it. As you can see, ito nagsisisig na naman siya. So hopefully we get to remove it without damaging the paint, and we'll be wrapping this with Magnus Pro paint protection film. And over here, we have a brand new Ford Ranger Raptor that we also protected with Magnus Pro paint protection film. So, bakit ba kailangan natin ng PPF? Pag PPF kasi, malaking chance na masagi ka, magasgas yung car mo, mabangga ka, or what. Pag i-repaint mo siya, mawala na yung original value ng car. So, here we have another Defender that we just finished wrapping with Magnus Pro paint protection film. And another king of SUVs, the fastest SUV that we have in the country is this Lamborghini Urus S. So this is brand new from PGA. Of course, the client wanted to bring it here and have it protected right away. So yan, patapos na rin to. We're just installing, I think, the windshield protection film and we are almost done. So today's episode is not about all these other cars. It's about the newest and the hottest SUV in the market today. It's selling over 2 million over SRP and ubusan daw, ang hirap makita. So we are lucky enough to have two of these cars here. It's called the LC250, or better known as the Land Cruiser Prado. Okay, so this specific model, buti na lang nakakuha tayo ng slot kay Toyota. We got it for SRP. So is it a V8? Is it a V6? No, it's actually a 4-cylinder, turbocharged 2.4-liter gasoline engine. Tapos transmission niya is 8-speed, parang F1, diba? So, ang maganda dito, magaan siya. It's not as big as the LC300 kasi LC300 pag nagle-left ka or nagle-right ka, nafe-feel mo talaga na nag-shake siya, pero it's a bit of a boaty feeling. Ito, it's very tight kasi I think mas magaan yung kaha niya, tapos mas maliit siya. And tingnan mo naman yung forma niya, diba? Like, sobrang ganda, very modern, tapos makanto na siya. It's not as round anymore, so it looks more rugged, sort of like a Bronco, or medyo may pagkakulinan nga yung vibes niya eh. Pero syempre, it's a Toyota. It's reliable, it's affordable, and it would last you a lifetime. So let's check out the inside. Right off the bat, makita mo yung interior niya. It's very simple, very clean, direct to the point. Wala siyang mga fancy things na hindi mo kailangan. And it's very spacious. Actually, saktong-sakto siya for my size. So I'm a 6'1" guy, pretty big build. And maluwang siya for me. So hindi ako nahihirapan to go inside, go outside. And yung view niya, saktong-sakto lang. Siyempre, it has the push to start, telescopic yung steering wheel niya. You can move it up, down, left, right. And I really like this screen. Very clean lang siya, very simple. Hindi siya yung OA na sobrang laki. Diba? Yung iba kasi yan, lalaki sobra, like what I have in my Ranger. Medyo nahihirapan ako minsan to hit the controls. At least ito, meron pa rin siyang physical buttons. So for the aircon, nandito siya. Meron siyang heated and cooled seats. So nakakatuwa. And then you can control the rear aircon from here as well. So you still have your physical buttons here. Yung aircon niya, it's very vintage style. If nakita niyo yung mga lumang Toyota, yun na ito yung itsura ng aircon nila. So ang ganda ng ginawa nila, parang retro pero modern. But syempre, it has all the feature comforts that you would look for in a modern car. So one of these things is itong rear view mirror niya. As you can see, it's actually a digital screen. Pero pagka finlip ko tong switch na to, it becomes a normal rear view mirror. So yan, kitang-kita mo. Hello. Yan. So, cup holders, normal lang siya. Tsaka maganda sa kanya, napipindot mo siya. So, you can have smaller cups, bigger cups. Pasok lahat. Kahit tumbler nga ako makasya dito eh. I super like the feel of the shifter. Very robust siya and ang laki niya. So, I mean, medyo macho yung feeling mo when nag-shift ka to reverse and to gas. And puro USB-C na rin siya. And another thing, meron siyang HDMI cable. I'm not sure how that works yet. Hindi ko pa siya nakakalikot. But I think it's for the screen at the back. Kasi at the back, we actually have a LED screen over here that you can watch movies para sa mga pasahero nyo. But I don't think I'll ever use that. And of course, it has a sunroof. And so driving this car, again, as I mentioned earlier, para siyang better version of the LC for me as a driver. Kasi for me, yung LC masyado na siyang malaki. And nafe-feel mo yung body roll niya pag nagle-left ka or nagle-right ka. Ito kasi ang ganda, electronic steering na, ang gaan. Tapos yung body niya, it's not as big or heavy as the LC300. So, sarap nang gamitin. Alright, so we are here at the back and actually first time ko uupo dito. And it's pretty spacious. Again, 6'1", laki ko ang tao. May space pa ako sa bubong, may space pa ako dito. And I can watch the TV here that's going to be connected to the HDMI. I don't know how that works yet, but yeah, pretty cool feature to have. Medyo spacious siya, sakto lang. Cup holders here. And then you have aircon switches over here. You can control the aircon from the back. And ayan, may HDMI ulit dito. USB-C, dalawa, and your lighter socket. So at the back naman, meron tayong dalawang opening. First, we have this. So easy access lang, you don't have to open the whole trunk. But if you need to get more stuff at the back, you can open it. So, syempre, electric to siya. And there. So, you have a big cargo space. So, maganda dito, yung seats niya are actually electronic. Yan. So, if you wanna put it up for 2 more seats, meron din. And ang maganda sa kanya, on both sides, may USB-C charger din. So, hindi kayo malulubat. Then, ito yung headrest niya. Yan. So, good for 7 people. I don't think I'll ever use that also, pero yan. So far, I'm loving the Prado. I've had it for probably around a week now. Nag-iisip na ako anong mga mods na gagawin natin. Anong wheels, anong tires, anong accessories. But for now, we're just going to do a simple black roof wrap kasi hindi pa ako maka-decide kung anong color gagawin ko. So if you guys have a suggestion kung anong wrap gagawin natin for this Prado, please comment it down below. Kung anong pinakamaraming likes, siguro baka yun yung gagawin natin. As long as hindi pink. Okay? Alright, so that's it for this video. Super excited na ako kung anong magiging itsura nito. But definitely, I wanna make it one of a kind. I wanna make it unique. I'm gonna make the wheels more aggressive. And actually, gusto ko palitan yung front niya to the US version, which is more simple. Tapos, hindi ko masyado type to. So, yeah. Abangan ko yung comments niyo. Anong mga suggestion niyo for colors. Of course, punta kayo sa Inozitech website. Doon kayo pumili ng color. Anong babagay kay Prado. So, this one naman, lalagyan natin siya ng full Magnus Pro paint protection film to protect the very shiny black finish. So, if you want more videos like this, guys, please don't forget to follow and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Instagram, Facebook, and comment kayo kung anong mga next content gusto nyo makita. On the next video, though, meron kaming dalawa pang kotse papakita sa inyo. So, it's the bigger cousins of these Prados. So, watch out for that. See you!